Okay, so some MATLAB and maths function, let's say the function which is cosine. In MATLAB, we can refer with the cos or cos d. So cos d stand for the degree. Okay, and let's say sine or sine d, tan or tan d, and etc. Okay, for the cot, let's say a cosine, a sine, let's say a tan, and a cot. Okay, so let's say we will see this square root. Okay, so some function which is inbuilt, let's say square root, exponential function, logarithmic function, round to nearest, floor, or the cell. Floor cell, which is, let's say it is used for the, this concept is like the let's say if you consider 10.5. Okay, so let's say 10.8. So the max which is go the value for that particular, when you use this round to down integer floor in MATLAB, you can refer this by floor, so it will consider 11. Okay, and route up to the integer, let's say cell, which is go the lowest one. Okay, highest and lowest. Floor consider for the highest value, cell is considered for the lowest value. Okay, so let's say cos alpha is in radians, whereas cos d. Okay, so when you just say cos, so it is in radian. When you say cos d, it is in the degree. Okay, so pi radian, which is equals to 180 degrees. Now how to display the variables? Okay, so when you just don't consider the semicolon, so it will directly display. Okay, so we will consider display the value of x, which is, and display x. CLC clear all. Okay, so it was display, disp the value of x is. Okay, okay, and I will simply I haven't assigned any x value, so I will just say disp. Okay, I right now I will not assign any value for the x. Okay, so x value is not present in workspace. So you can see the display, the value of x is, okay, whatever I want to display, this sentence that is displayed here. X value which is not present. Okay, if I put x value and I want to just say display x, okay, so it will display its value. Okay, anything you can display, let's say whatever statement you want to go. Okay, let's say I am using up and down arrows. Okay, so here I using whatever command I passed, whatever command we executed, we can go for this. This is the command history. Okay, up and down arrow in command window.